Deep in the depths of Tokyo, far from the gleaming skyscrapers and bustling streets, there is a secret world, a silent and colossal underground empire. Imagine a concrete cathedral so vast that the Statue of Liberty could stand upright inside it. This is not a science fiction scenario, it is real, and it was built for a terrifying reason. Welcome to Geographic Fact. Today we are going to uncover one of the most spectacular and least known engineering projects on the planet, the GCANS system, a structure designed to save millions of lives from an imminent disaster. Tokyo is one of the largest metropolises in the world, a vibrant city with more than 37 million people in its metropolitan area. But beneath all this modernity and energy, there is a constant threat. The city was built on a vast alluvial plain, cut by more than 100 rivers that flow into Tokyo Bay. This geography, which historically was great for agriculture and trade, today represents a deadly danger. During the rainy season, from June to October, the region is punished by torrential rains and devastating typhoons. Small rivers that are normally quiet can turn into furious torrents in a matter of hours. Throughout history, Tokyo has suffered from catastrophic floods. In 1947, Typhoon Kathleen flooded more than 300,000 homes and had a devastating impact. With rapid urban growth in the post-war period, the problem only got worse. Asphalt and concrete covered the ground that once absorbed rainwater, channeling all that volume into a drainage system that was not prepared. Every time a major storm approached, fear took hold of the population. The question was not if the next big flood would happen, but when. The Japanese government knew it needed a radical solution, something never before attempted. And so, in 1992, construction began on the most ambitious project in the history of flood control. The official name is the Metropolitan Area Outer Underground Discharge Channel, but everyone knows it as GCANS. Construction lasted 13 years and cost more than $2 billion. It was a monumental effort, carried out 50 meters below the surface. To understand the scale, imagine excavating a tunnel more than 6 kilometers long, wide enough for a subway to pass through, all under a densely populated area without interrupting life in the city above. The GCAN system is a marvel of modern engineering, a complex and interconnected network of tunnels, silos, and pumps. It works as a giant underground bypass for floodwaters. When the smaller rivers in the region begin to overflow, the water is directed into 5 enormous concrete silos. Each silo is 32 meters in diameter and 65 meters deep. To give you an idea, that is tall enough to swallow a space shuttle. The rainwater falls into these gigantic shafts, like artificial waterfalls, and then flows through a 6-kilometer-long main tunnel. And it is at the end of this tunnel that we find the heart of the system, the most iconic and impressive part of the entire project, the underground pressurization tank. This is the place that became known as the Underground Cathedral. It is a surreal, almost mystical space. The hall is 177 meters long, 78 wide, and 18 high. Supporting the ceiling, there are 59 gigantic pillars. Each of these pillars weighs 500 tons. Being inside is an experience that challenges perception. The silence is deep, broken only by the echo of your own footsteps. The scale is so immense that it makes any human feel tiny, as if they were in a temple built by giants. But this cathedral was not made for worship. It has a vital purpose. This tank works as a giant buffer. It collects the water coming from the main tunnel and controls its pressure before releasing it. When the tank starts to fill, the sight is spectacular and terrifying. The water rises quickly through the massive pillars, and that's when the next phase of the system kicks in. 4 giant turbines, similar to those used in airplane engines, are activated. Together, these pumps have the power of 14,000 horsepower. They are capable of expelling 200 tons of water per second. That is the equivalent of emptying an Olympic swimming pool in less than 15 seconds. All this water is safely pumped into the Edogawa River, a much larger river with the capacity to handle this volume, which then takes it to the ocean. The GCAN system is a symphony of engineering and precision. It is fully automated and monitored from a central control room. When sensors indicate that river levels are dangerous, operators can activate the entire system with the touch of a button. Since it became operational in 2006, GCANS has been activated dozens of times, saving Tokyo and surrounding cities from floods that could have been disastrous. It is estimated that it has reduced damages by billions of dollars. The most incredible thing about the GCANS project is how it represents the Japanese philosophy of prevention and harmony with nature. Instead of fighting the force of water with increasingly high walls and barriers, engineers created a path for it. They understood they couldn't stop the rains, but they could guide the water, giving it a safe route away from populated areas. It is a solution that works with the geography of the place, not against it. A demonstration of how human ingenuity can find elegant solutions to nature's greatest challenges, transforming a geographical vulnerability into a proof of resilience. When not in operation, GCANS turns into a unique tourist attraction. Visitors from all over the world can descend to the Underground Cathedral and witness its grandeur in person. It is an opportunity to see up close one of the greatest feats of modern civil engineering, a hidden monument that silently protects millions of people. The experience of walking among those colossal pillars is unforgettable, a powerful reminder of what we are capable of building when we face a common challenge. GCANS is not just a structure of concrete and steel, it is a symbol of hope. In a world where climate change is making extreme weather events more frequent and intense, projects like this are more important than ever. Coastal cities around the world, from New York to Venice, are looking to Tokyo's model for inspiration. It proves that with vision, investment, and brilliant engineering, it is possible to protect our cities and build a safer future. Tokyo's underground secret is a lesson for us all, a lesson in foresight, ingenuity, and our ability to adapt to a constantly changing planet. The grandeur of GCANS makes us reflect on the limits of engineering and our relationship with the planet. What other secrets are hidden beneath the world's great cities? And what new wonders will we build to face the challenges of the future? The story of GCANS is proof that even in the face of nature's most powerful forces, human creativity can find a way. If you were as impressed as we were by this marvel of engineering, don't forget to leave your like and share this video. And to discover more incredible geographical facts like this, which shape our world in ways you never imagined, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.